This is Tecno Camon 18P, and today I would like to lead you through the process of setting up the parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings. After that, enter the Google category. If you have any accounts linked to your system currently, you have to get rid of them, thus remove. So you can do that by tapping over here, then go for the manage accounts on this device option, open up the Google account, each one that you have, and then remove it like so. Once you have successfully gotten rid of all the Google accounts and this field is empty, you can start the setup procedure. So go into the parental controls, tap on the get started, and then child routine, next. In here we will start with sign in or logging into our Google account, or not our, of course, the Google account of child. If you have any, if you do not, just sign up. So I have one on my hands, or prepared for this process. So I'll simply enter the email address. Then a password, which I will obviously do off the screen. Then tap on the I agree. Wait for the Google services to load, accept everything that it asks you for. After that, choose the account that we have just signed into from the list. Next, we will need to enter the parent's account credentials as well, or the Google account that will be used for supervision. So in my case, it's going to be the following account. Let me quickly enter the password off the screen as well. Then scroll the following page all the way down. In here, in order to confirm that those two accounts will be linked, enter the child's Google account password. After you do that, tap on the blue agree button, then you'll get the following dialog window. Choose the allow option, wait for the two accounts to get linked. Then click on next, more, next. Next. So at the Manage Parental Controls page, if the smartphone or device, generically speaking, that is written in the bold font is the one that you will use as parent or supervisor, you can get the you can automatically install the needed app by tapping on the blue button. In my case that is true, but I will just show you how to do that manually. So I'll skip the installation, thus finalize it. So as you can see on the child's end, all parental controls were successfully set up and activated. Now take your device as parent or supervisor, open up the Play Store, enter the family link. That's the app that we need to download, so let's wait for it to, well, be downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can launch it. While signing into the app, make sure that the account that you choose is the one that we have earlier identified as a parent's account. And tap on the continue button. Over here, you'll probably have one device in the list. Here we have our Tecno Camon 18P. So as a parent or supervisor, you can set some daily device usage limits, set up the downtime routine, configure, change app limits, as well as monitor app activity, enforce content restrictions, change account settings and preferences, and manage devices that are in your family and connected to the, well, respectively connected to the family link app. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up parental controls go. I highly appreciate you watching us, and we highly appreciate you watching us. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.